special series on investment opportunities in the new year, Property 2016. Strong supply, steady demand and increasing investor interest. It is India's top global investment destination. Bengaluru's commercial realty is in a sweet spot with increasing demand for office space, which was mainly driven by IT and IT SEZs and startups. But how did it fare over the last 1 year? How does the city's commercial realty stack up when compared to other cities? Amita Balachandra gets us this report with details from Bengaluru.
While residential real estate market has seen decline in sales, commercial real estate market, especially in the city of Bengaluru, has been moving over the last 1 year. Bengaluru, when compared to the rest of the cities, has seen maximum office space absorption, net office space absorption, and for reasons that are very, very simple. First of all, it is the IT hub of India. Most of these areas which see office space demand are IT concentrated areas in the city of Bengaluru. So it's seen a major influx of supply, especially over the last couple of years. That's one. Second, it is also the startup hub of India. Remember, Karnataka was the first state when compared to the rest of the states in India to have a startup policy. So these are the two major reasons why Bengaluru is booming when it comes to commercial real estate. What's also interesting to note here is that peripheral business districts like Outer Ring Road, Whitefield, most of the IT concentrated areas which also have a large stock of IT companies and IT SEZs are doing very well. No wonder then Bengaluru tops the charts in office space demand. What's also interesting is that it is the top global investment destination, and experts believe that the growth is only going to be positive going forward as well. In Bengaluru, with camera person Satish Shetty, Amita Balachandra for Magic Bricks Now.
And to get a detailed perspective on that, we are being joined by Ashutosh Limaye, Head Research at JLL. Ashutosh, thank you so much for being here on the news on Magic Bricks Now. First up, Amita was just talking about, she was just taking us through the numbers in the Bengaluru commercial market. Tell us, what are the key drivers that have been for the Bengaluru commercial market this year?
Bangalore actually attributed for 1/3 of all India office leasing, so that's the lion's share. And I think next year also it's going to witness similar good performance. In terms of yields are between 9 and 9.5%, but the rental appreciation is good. So Bangalore is the only city in India which has crossed the previous rental peak all Indian cities achieved for their respective city districts in 2008. So that will continue for Bangalore, and the city that experiences very healthy occupancy, the vacancy numbers are just 4.5%, is going to command good rental appreciation, good absorption. I think it's a question of how much supply Bangalore can come out with to meet this very healthy demand next year.
Okay. Ashutosh, now let's just shift focus a little bit and talk about specifics here. You tell us, what are some of the emerging areas in the city? What are the sweet spots in the city that people should look out for in the year 2016?
I think the secondary business districts of Bangalore, which is a large area and of course abutting the outer ring road, is the most happening area. But now we are seeing some other areas also taking shape. The Bellary Road corridor is also now taking off as IT neighborhood, and a few inland pockets within Whitefield and Hosur Road that were left vacant are getting filled up by office buildings as well. So these are the areas which are continuing to grow as office districts. I think concern for any corporate company anywhere in the world would be how to ensure that the talent or the staff that the company employs has a very easy and comfortable work-home commute. And I think that's the case in Bangalore as well. So I think corporates are cautious and conscious about the fact that Bangalore's infrastructure, transportation infrastructure is getting pressured to a great extent. So they are choosing the locations in secondary business districts which relatively can be accessed by the large talent pool residing areas of South and East Bangalore.
Okay, okay. Ashutosh, we need to wrap things up over here. But before we let you go, quickly tell us what is your overall growth outlook for Bengaluru market for the year 2016? Give us the big picture.
I expect more growth going forward. In fact, Bangalore has never shown a situation of oversupply and very high vacancy. And because Bangalore has been always in tune with what demand the city experiences. So I think that's the maturity of the developers there to be very close to what market wants and deliver that much that market can digest. And that's why Bangalore enjoys very low vacancy over a consistent time. So I think next year also Bangalore is going to do well in office markets. We are going to still experience 9 million plus of space getting leased. The supply is going to be around 6 million square foot. So that means that rents are going to go up and vacancies are going to remain, if not come down marginally.
All right, Ashutosh Limai, Head Research at JLL. Thank you so much for taking time out to have this quick chat with us here on the news on Magic Bricks Now.